Doorcraft Garage Doors can replace your noisy old automatic garage door opener with a smooth, quiet ATA opener. It works with roller doors, tilt doors and sectional doors for as little as $550. Doorcraft Garage Doors also have parts, motors, remote controls and more. So for long-lasting, good-looking and sensational value garage doors, check Doorcraft's webpage at doorcraft.com.au. Mention this ad for a free third remote when you purchase your new automated Doorcraft Garage Door. Station sponsor.